Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how to clear an airbag module. This is only one type of it. This is a 2010 Nissan Altima. It is a 2010. It's actually a very easy procedure. So I just want to show you how you actually can clear, or at least how the process goes if you have the right tools. Okay. So basically this is the part number as you see on the airbag module. Okay, and this is the inside of the circuit board, and I know where the airbag in this airbag module where the crash is located. Okay, and it is in this little EEPROM, the one to the right side, the one I'm touching, this one right here. Okay, it's an EEPROM with 8 legs, 4 on one side, 4 on the other side. Okay, so we're going to connect that, read the data out of it. Okay, it's an EEPROM. It says on it actually RL66. It's actually that's what it's pronounced as when you have a 93C66 EEPROM. Okay, that is a memory right there, and we're going to read this data off that chip, of that EEPROM, and then we're going to repair that file and put it back in the EEPROM, write it back in the EEPROM, and when you put this module back in the vehicle, there will be no more airbag light unless you have a problem with your seat belts or some other components, or that's letting it open. But it will not be anything regarding to the airbag module, and this module will be like brand new right off the dealer. All right, so let's go ahead. Now I'm just gonna use a car probe that's already hooked up to my computer. Okay, I'm gonna use this to read this EEPROM. Okay, this clamp right here, and I'm gonna show you before that. I already have pulled it up on the on my laptop that this is the right part number, as you see, as I shown you before, and it's showing all the connections. If you have to do like soldering on them one by one, which I don't have to because I have the socket in here. All right, so I'm gonna grab this. Okay, so you see this little dot on the EEPROM on the left side to the bottom, that's the pin number 1. Okay, and you see this clamp, this connects to that chip to the EEPROM, so we can read and write it. Where you see the red one, this one, it's also the pin number 1, so it needs to go accordingly. Basically, I'm gonna attach it right on top. I'm sorry if you can see it. Sometimes you might have to take out the EEPROM. Hopefully that's not our case today, and sometimes it's very hard to get it, sit it right in the right position. Okay, let me try this one more time. You guys might not see it. Okay guys, now it's sitting on it. You see it's clamped right on the EEPROM. We should be able to read this EEPROM right now. But like I said, sometimes you must remove the EEPROM if it doesn't read or write correctly. And every time you're doing this, you want to copy the original file just in case anything goes wrong.